Of course I'd start off by cutting myself. Alrighty, so welcome back to the Struggle Bus. Today we're starting off with something completely different. I decided recently that I wanted to try my little indoor garden again. That's something that I tried to do a while ago. I was going for more like basil and other things like that. I kind of want this garden to just look pretty, so we got some Irish moss back there. We got a juniper. I think this, I can't remember what this is called. It's like some sort of like palm thing. I'm not sure. And this guy is an artillery fern. It's very tropical. And then I got a bunch of perennials over here. So I'm like, okay, well, that's gonna be interesting. I'm just gonna isolate this guy over here. Make sure that they stay watered. They're still in their pots right now because I want to make sure that if one of them decides that they want to kick it off too early, and I'm like, hey, you know, your plant died like really quickly, and that shouldn't have happened. So I think, I'm not entirely sure how that works. I probably just need to take care of them all. But either way, point is I've got this pretty little garden here, and I'll give you guys little updates on it if you'd like. I'll see you in the video. Today, I'm gonna have success. I'm gonna finish this sketch off. At least the animation part of this sketch. That's my goal right now. I'm gonna finish, and I'm gonna make sure it looks good. So like right now, that looks terrible. That looks terrible. It needs to go up a little bit more. You know, that's interesting. Oh, because yeah, duh. What's this frame then? What was this frame for? What did I have? You know, I'm gonna just delete it. Just delete it. Don't care if it's good. Delete it, delete it, delete it, delete it. This collar kind of parts and then comes back together. I don't know why I just now decided to do that. His shoulder's gonna be kind of pinned up like that for a moment as he tries to pull himself down. I feel like his head gets smaller as he's like kind of coming down. Let's see if his head gets smaller. Yeah, it does get a little bit smaller. This probably needs fewer frames here. Last time I checked, yeah, it probably needs a little bit, because by the time he's here, like he should really be like underneath the bricks right now for the helmet to really properly fall. I don't know. I gotta save. I'm gonna go ahead and take lunch. Ow. I bit myself. That kind of sucked. Alright. We're back to it here. Isn't that right? Just slowly like, yeah, so we'll definitely I'm thinking pretty much these, like this frame, I think he needs to be down here. These frames, alright, so let's go ahead and remove that one. Remove that key. Hold on, I don't want to remove too many of them. So this one we can copy, paste, move keyframe. Is there a way I could just move these forward? Oh, so it did copy both of them. Let's see how that looks. Maybe, I think I just need to exaggerate it more. So like, really put some movement probably right here. Looking a little bit more elongated. I'm just a freaking blur here. That's all he is. He's just a freaking blur. head isn't quite as elongated as it was before. I'm gonna shorten up his Kopf, his big head here a little bit. Maybe that'll look better. Yeah, alright, I think we need more frames to stabilize that. So now we need to squish his head a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Now he kind of looks a little bit squished because he came down so fast. The sheer momentum literally crushed his skull. It was shattering how quickly he fell down. His eyes are flattened. He's gonna have a headache and needs a big bottle of whiskey after that one. You're gonna be a real egghead, buddy. A real boozy. Or maybe, should I just bring it to where maybe his eyes are just peeking over? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, you know what? I think that's a better idea. What if... Okay, let's remove keyframe. Copy to clipboard. We're going to go ahead and continue with this exaggerated forward-moving momentum. I copied that because I didn't feel like drawing it again, because that gets really obnoxious really quickly. But I want to shorten up his forehead base there. The base to his forehead. Base to forehead, base to forehead. Sometimes that's how I feel when I feel like my reaction time is actually really good, but my motor functions don't match my reaction time. So then I just end up sitting there fumbling most of the time. You know what I mean? Alright, so I think this is where we paste that one keyframe. So paste from clipboard. Hey. Oh, what? Oh, okay. That's good to know. Wow, I didn't think that it was going to do that. So what happened there is that it copies the keyframe, but it doesn't change. Like it doesn't keep the same frame that you had on there. It changes according to what the frame has been changed to. That is very good to know. And mildly annoying, actually, to be quite honest. Now he's gonna look like Stewie. And he's gonna sit there and talk about his wheat things. Now he just looks like a chibi. Maybe we need to make his head a little bit longer. See, I feel like right now it's at chibi status, and soon we're about to hit Cartman status. It's a very easy status to hit. Almost like he hits his chin right on there, like clack. That would be funny. Totally destroys his jawbone. He's just shattered to pieces. Do you imagine that? Huge dude, like Captain America kind of strength, and you just can get up with an abrasive force and smack your head on something really hard like that. Just how much damage you would probably walk out of a lot of situations with a concussion. I wonder how many times he's done that. You know, getting out of the bunk beds and the cots in the military school. He just jumps up really quickly. Sarge is screaming at him. Just bang! Shots fired. Shots fired. You think that? So if I just shrunk this down, it has to go wider. If that was the case, does that surface area fill in? You know, I'm gonna go to this random tab over here. Let's take some green. Let's do like some green or something like that. Because I don't feel like that fills in the surface area, you know? Like these two shapes do not, they might take up like half of this, his noggin. But the other, yeah, I think I got the proportions wrong there. So maybe what I ought to do, because I feel like the yeah, like the elongated bits, like they're not drastically elongated, but they're They're decently... What is going on here? I've got the right color. The opacity is down. Do not know what I keep on doing to cause the opacity to drop. Well, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the content for today. That's all I have time for that video. Hopefully I'll be getting another video out here pretty soon. I'm going to be working a little bit less. So I've got a little bit more time on my hands. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought of it, what could be improved, and leave a like, I don't know, some love, something like that. Something funny to do. Just, I don't know, man. Just, this is the end of the video. Get out of here, you know? Get out of here. Oh, skeletons. Spooky, spooky, spooky spooks. They spook me all the time. Oh, I hear you. This game is stressful, man. I haven't played in a while either. Here we go. Now we're blasting. Oh! Dang, son. Dang. Huh? That's good for me.